I'm Brendan Moran. This is Ask a Real Estate Agent. Question, who pays for closing costs? Well, if you're the buyer, they're gonna run you about 3% of the purchase price. But does that mean you gotta pay for everything? Well, this one's a little tricky because all different areas have different standards. What we're gonna talk about is Northern California and specifically the East San Francisco Bay Area because that's where we primarily do business. Basically, the buyer is responsible for all the big stuff, like title insurance and escrow fees. Those alone can be about 50% of all closing costs. The buyer is also gonna pay for their own taxes, insurance, and lender costs. Now, before you freak out, understand that the seller has to pay all of the brokerage fees, which can run about 5 to 6%, so it's not like they're getting out of this unscathed. Better question though is, can you ask the seller to help with your closing costs? And the answer is yes. Here's how it works. You would ask a seller to give you a credit at the close of escrow for your closing costs. So say your closing costs were $10,000 total and you wanted a little help with it, you could ask the seller to give you a credit of $5,000 at close of escrow, and therefore all you gotta come out of pocket is $5,000. Not too bad, and it usually works a lot better in a buyer's market or a neutral market. Thanks for watching.